Alright, this is going to be a more descriptive video on my Raynor 270-7, which I finally managed to get home. Before I get started, this is now my spot for openers and whatnot. Got the Genie there, the Sears there, 7220s up there. I was going to use it as a light, and then I decided I would bring this thing down, and I'm controlling it using one of my 893 LMs. So anyway, this, here it is. The case on this is gray. I can't remember. I think that somebody else had shown one of these that the case on it was brown. Oops, don't know how that happened. The light in this doesn't work. It did work before, but I don't know what happened to it. Probably take the case off of it eventually, see if I can figure it out. It's V-belt drive. The motor's right here. Belt loops around like that. This is a 6-tooth sprocket, and then this is the larger idler sprocket, which I'm not sure what that is actually. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. It's like an extra force switch or something, but yeah, then this is the force. It's spring loaded. Springs on the back there. I apologize that the lighting isn't great, but if I turn this on, actually that does help. Spring loaded, and then it moves this over and we'll hit one of these switches. So yeah, so on the back, model is 270-7. You can't see it. It was made in 1996. Half horsepower. That's right there. Here is my lovely disaster of wires. The way that this works, this is your push button where I hooked up the main button to control it, and the receiver power hose that goes there. Courtesy light, what that is, it's just a button that you hook up to control the light, but it's supposed to be constant on to turn the light on. You can hear it click when I push that. The sensors. So these are the original sensors to this, which I actually did manage to hook them up. So this one right here is the sending eye. It has black and red wires. The black wire goes to common, and the red wire goes to safety power, which I just use wireless to minimize the wires that I use. And then this one has an extra white wire that goes to safety input. And if I knock this out of line, that light changes from green to red. The receiver is the original 540 RGD receiver. Pretty sure it would not have come with this button. Pretty sure it would have been the can't think, like the Alistair button, even though it's not an Alistair button, but that's just what I call it. I did program my 850 CB to it. Had this remote for quite a while. This is a little louder when it's not on the rail. Turn that off now. This is a little bit louder when it's not on the rail, but it's still pretty quiet, so we'll give it a run here. And down. Pretty sure this would be the up force switch, so I'll just kind of try that out. This remote is very weird. Yep, and then if I start it down, yep, goes back up. And I will do a sensor test. So yeah, everything on this opener works except for the light. I have to figure that out. For power, I have it plugged into the light that I finally got fixed, and I'm using an extension cord. I shouldn't be using an extension cord, but eventually I probably will get an outlet over here. I think that's about all I have to show. Oh, actually, no, I have actually some other parts. That is the chain to the Raynor, and I kept that for a reason. This is also, let me get the light again, you can see the chain a little better. This is the front pulley, and if you're wondering why I kept this, well, I'm going to attempt to try and convert the 4-piece T-rail to a full chain drive. And since I don't really feel like taking the cable off of that, I actually did save the original trolley to the Raynor. The original trolley and arm, which this is my mess of parts right now. That's the trolley. If you slide it on with the nuts on this side of the trolley, it works pretty well, although the trolley is going to be backwards, so technically closed is going to be open and open is going to be closed. So I will see how that works out. And that's about it. The other thing, I may be getting yet another new opener, which I'm actually not going to say what it is yet. Some people already know, but I'm not going to say just yet. Also, this is the these are a couple screws which hold this on, which just goes over like that, just to probably protect, kind of like a sprocket cover. That's about it. Actually, I kind of want to see what this other switch here does. So this is like a plastic. This is just like plastic, and it comes off pretty easy. So I'm actually curious as to what that switch does. So, I'm just wondering if, okay, so I'm just gonna, just another force switch, I guess. Don't know why in the world they have this, because it's fixed here and it doesn't move. It just moves here, which the springs are tightened too much that I can't move it. But yeah, so that's basically the Raynor. We'll close it one last time, and that's gonna be it. There you go. Next video most likely going to be this thing with the case off.